Differentiate y equals the quantity x squared minus 2x plus 2 times e to the power of 5x over 2. This is the product, so we will use the product rule, and when we get to e to the 5x over 2, we will need to use the chain rule. Speed it up. Y prime is derivative of the first factor is 2x minus 2 times the second factor e to the 5x over 2 plus, keep the first factor x squared minus 2x plus 2 times the derivative of the second factor. The derivative of e to the block is e to the same block times the derivative of that block. The derivative of 5 over 2x is 5 over 2. And we're done. As usual, we might need to rewrite it. We see that there is a factor of e to the 5x over 2, and so we would factor it out. Inside, we end up with 2x minus 2 plus 5 over 2 times the quantity x squared minus 2x plus 2. This is e to the 5x over 2 times the quantity 2x minus 2 plus 5 over 2x squared minus 5x plus 5, or e to the 5x over 2 times 5 over 2x squared. 2x minus 5x is minus 3x, and minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3. Differentiate y equals the quantity 1 plus sine of 3t over 3 minus 2t raised to the negative 1 power. We can use the chain rule and then the quotient rule and then the chain rule, but it would be much simpler if we can rewrite it as 3 minus 2t over 1 plus sine of 3t, so that we don't have to use the outer chain rule with the negative 1 power. The negative 1 power is simply the reciprocal. That's why we flip it. This is the quotient, so we will use the quotient rule. First, y prime equals, always square the denominator, 1 plus sine of 3t, the whole quantity, squared. And then in the numerator, we first find the derivative of 3 minus 2t, which is 0 minus 2, times the denominator, 1 plus sine of 3t, minus, this time we keep the numerator, 3 minus 2t, times the derivative of the denominator is 0 plus the derivative of sine is cosine of 3t, but we're not done yet. Using the chain rule on sine of 3t, we still need to multiply the derivative of the inside. The derivative of 3t is 3. Clean this up a little bit. We have negative 2 times 1 plus sine of 3t minus 3. We bring the 3 to the front. 3 minus 2t times cosine of 3t over 1 plus sine of 3t, the quantity squared. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times sine of 3t is minus 2 sine of 3t. Minus 3 times 3 is minus 9 cosine of 3t. Minus 3 times negative 2t is plus 6t cosine of 3t over 1 plus sine of 3t, the whole quantity squared. And this is the final answer because there is no like term to 2, there's no like term to sine of 3t, there's no like term to cosine of 3t because the last term is t times cosine of 3t. And so we leave the answer as it is.